Hello everyone, I'm Prutha Kadakya from the Department of Multimedia and Mass Communication, your host for this episode, Freshers Special. Before we begin this episode, I would like to express my sincere gratitude towards our principal, Professor Dr. Maushmi Datta, for giving us this idea of having our own podcast, and Vice Principal and IQAC Coordinator, Professor Dr. Mona Mehta, who made this possible to get this podcast into existence. This podcast is in association with our Internal Quality Assurance Cell, hosted by the Department of Multimedia and Mass Communication. So now let's hear from various representatives. Now we have here Bhumi representing the Department of Computer and Information Science. Welcome Bhumi.
Hello, thank you for having me here.
My first question to you is that there are so many life lessons that a college teaches you. So what have you learned and what you will carry forward and apply in various aspects of life?
Yes, so this college has taught many lessons actually. Many related to IT and many related to the world around us. So one of them is of having connections. So after college, you will graduate and then work on your careers. In the career path, many decide to make a startup, have multiple businesses, find jobs, or even freelance. So the connections we make here, the people we explore and the friends we make, they all can help you around in doing such things in the future.
I would agree, and it is true that the connections you make in college can actually define the next few years of your life.
Yes, definitely.
My next question to you is, would you like to throw a light on an incident which has kind of change your perspective towards something and make you think in other directions as well?
Yes, so there was one incident in my second year. It was an algorithm class we were attending, and my friend commented casually that think about the algorithms they use to make AI. And then I went in such a deep thought, and then from that point of time I was like, I'll have to make room for growth every single day. There are so many new technologies emerging every minute, every day. So yeah, there has to be room for knowledge and growth every day. So that's my motto.
I think such sessions really and such questions and prompts really give us thoughts ki is angle mein to kabhi socha hi nahi hai, and we have to think, right?
Yes.
It was a lovely time with you, Bhumi, and thank you for coming here on this.
Thank you to you.
Here we have Peenal Kalar, a representative from the Department of Bachelor of Arts in Multimedia and Mass Communication. Welcome, Peenal.
Hello, thanks for having me here. I hope you're doing good.
Yes. My first question to you is, how proud a first year Peenal feel for a third year Peenal?
I think the first year Peenal would be really proud of seeing me here, participating in extracurricular activities and being confident. And also I'm sure that she would be proud that I am contributing to my department. And I really feel very proud when I, say to people that I am from Multimedia and Mass Communication Department, because it has an essence of talent and, So yeah, I think the first year Peenal would really be proud of seeing me here and participating in things like this.
We really look forward to have more opportunities coming on your way. My next question to you is, what is the driving force that makes you keep working harder every day for your college department?
So I would say, there's a saying, when the leader is passionate, when the leader is, working hard to achieve a particular goal. So subconsciously, there is a reason for the team members also, for the followers also to give their best, whatever it is. In this context, I would say the leader of my department is our beloved coordinator, Mrs. Preeti Rao. She has been always there. She has guided us so much and advised that these are the things which you should do. And even if there is a small things, these 3 years, she has always been there. So I think these are the reasons. And also I would say the students in my department are immensely talented. Like in every field, whether it's video editing, whether it's videographing, whether it's editing or storytelling, in each field, I think we have a lot of potential to put forward and to, express our talent. So, and also when I, come to college and when I see my environment, it's so productive. So you also get that the reason to work hard and contribute to the department. So yeah, this could be the driving force of, doing something for my department.
I absolutely agree. The moment you step in the college, the environment you get is completely different,
Yeah.
and especially as
And
you
it's
said,
so positive, so you get a, reason to do that.
absolutely. And when you have a department where you have all the people so supportive and comforting around yourself, you have that feeling of let's work harder for them, let's
Exactly.
work harder, and let's have that family bond
Yeah.
with them. So my last question to you is very interesting. What is your favorite go-to food in and around the college campus?
Oh, this question is really interesting. I was really hoping that कुछ food के related होना चाहिए, because this is my corner of interest and I would love to answer this. In our college now we have very limited options of food, honestly. But जितने भी हैं, they are the best. So first and foremost would be samosa and chutney, that Anna ka
Yes.
samosa especially.
Agree.
And the unique thing about this is वो समोसा जो है ना, वो इडली की चटनी के साथ देते हैं. That is something different. Like until now, I haven't tried samosa with idli ki chutney, but it's a great combination, and I think you will get only near NK College. Also, samosa and chutney, then vada pav near Nursing Lane, then chai, of course, then mendu vada. I think the name of this shop is Chandrayani. I think वहाँ का मेंदू वड़ा is very good. And also there is one food item जो मुझे पहले पता नहीं थी, it's called Manchurian pav. So when I got familiar to this, I was like, what is Manchurian pav? Like vada pav सुना है, samosa pav सुना है, pav के अंदर Manchurian. I'm like, what? But then when I tried, I didn't like it, to be honest, but there are people in my college who really love it and they eat every single day. I have my friend who eat this Manchurian pav. But yeah, vada pav, samosa, chutney is my go-to food whenever I come to college.
I think every student of this college is such a big foodie and loves to explore the dishes, as you said,
Yes.
especially. So that is the speciality of the college, though outside the college, I
Yeah.
would say. So thank you so much, Peniel, for being on this episode. It was really great exploring the in and out of this college campus with you. Thank you.
Thank you so much for having me here, and it's a great opportunity and the platform, to share our experiences. So yeah, thank you so much for having me here.
So now we have Shlok Nair, a representative from the Bachelor of Commerce in Banking and Insurance. So hello.
Hello, thank you for having me.
So do you believe that the friendships and connections made in college time can really be proved as a turning point in someone's life?
Well, I personally believe that friends are kind of like the family you get to choose, right? So, yeah, certain friendships have a pretty big impact on your life, especially when you bond with those who you find admirable and those who inspire you to be better. So, yeah, they have a pretty big impact on your life.
Absolutely. So if given a chance, would you like to go back in time and change something during your college life or do something differently?
Well, if I had the chance to go back in time and relive my past, I'd definitely be a bit more proactive and take charge more often. Yeah, because I was a bit demure, I was a bit passive in my life for a long time.
I think that's what college demands certainly from all the students.
It does. Yeah.
So here comes your last question. Being in an organizing committee or organizing college fest and events gives a lot of experience which comes handy in the job market or in the corporate world. So what would you like to say on that?
Well, both of them revolve around dealing with people and coordinating with them to achieve certain goals or objectives. So yeah, organizing college fests is pretty good. It is a pretty good opportunity to familiarize yourself with it. So yeah.
So thank you, Shlok, for your valuable time, and I'm sure the freshers who are coming this year would have gained really good insights, and yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Now we have Vidhi here, a representative of Bachelor of Management Studies. So welcome, Vidhi.
Hi.
My question for you is that what was the factors of this college, or what were the things, the speciality about this college that made you choose this college and come here and pursue your higher education?
Okay, so talking about this institution, a lot of things have actually attracted me to come here, but majorly being the faculties, they made the environment really comfortable for me. And talking about the seniors, they were too excited to have us on board. And also the co-curricular activities, majorly all of these attracted me to come to this college.
That's really great. So my next question to you is that what are those memories or those situations that will always make you laugh whenever you look back in time?
Okay, so the memories, as in whenever I think about Mirage, the fest with BMS, it always brings a smile to my face. There are so many memories, but to name the events that we've made, the work that has gone behind it brings a very huge smile on my face.
That's lovely. So thank you, Dia, for coming. Now we have Samta, a representative from the Department of Bachelor of Management Studies in E-Commerce Operations. Welcome, Samta.
Hello.
My first question to you is, when two best friends are in the top positions in the same department or committee, sometimes casual discussions turns into fight and argument. So how do you take on that situation?
We all are different humans with different personalities and different perspectives on everything. So disagreements are bound to happen. So I guess what is important is we are respecting each other's opinion. Like there is always a good way of communicating your thoughts and the pros and cons of why we should take this decision, or if you want to dismiss somebody's decision, you should not just directly accuse them. There should be a way, like these are the constants we have at hand. So there are always tactics and strategies how you are communicating and also considering them while taking decisions.
I think if that is to be applied, then half of the college fest fights are doing. My next question to you मतलब थोड़ा ऐसा है जो आपको थोड़ा सोचना पड़ेगा, and it might be that you might not have an answer at the moment, but you have to give a little thought to it. If you ever wish to give something back to your institution for all the beautiful memories it gave you, what it would be and why?
Okay, I think I would definitely do something for an incubation cell and a research cell. I've seen many beautiful and brilliant ideas coming up from there, and as e-commerce students, we have always been motivated to do something in entrepreneurship, and like each project includes something about innovation and everything. So I feel that if I get to the position where I could give them support, guidance, or any resources, or it could be a network which can be of use to the incubation cell or research cell, I would be more than eager to do that.
That was a really impressive gift, I would say, as this institution already has so many talented minds here. And agar aisa something is innovated or is brought here, I think that would be really a blessing for all the entrepreneurs coming up. Now we have Dia Shah, a representative from the Department of Bachelor in Financial Markets. Hello, Dia.
Hello, thank you for having me here.
My question to you is, generally college fest mein ups and downs hote rehte, so how do you overcome that period, that particular phase?
Okay, so our B section has Prava and it is a great fest. So in our last Prava, our sponsor called us in the morning and they told that they had an oven issue. They asked me if I could arrange one. So first I asked everyone, I called a few people, but it wasn't possible to arrange it. So then they told us now it is going to be an issue, the sales will be going down and everything like that. But luckily, due to right marketing and mouth publicity, there was no issue, it was resolved and everything was perfect. So it was a bit difficult phase, but it was a learning experience. Absolutely. But it was nice.
This is the way how we learn various things and apply then in the future, but I think college fest are the place where we learn these things first.
Exactly. Nothing can teach us like college fest.
Absolutely agreed. So my next question to you is, what is that accomplishment that you will be the most proud of during your college time?
Being in this podcast, it was definitely a great one. No, but jokes apart, but I would be most proud of my VCP position in the sponsorship committee. I've joined sponsorship last in my second year, and by coming to the third year, I am now the VCP, Vice Chairperson, and it feels so great. So I think that was the best part.
That's really great. So that was a great time with you, Dia.
Thank you.
Your insights would be really helpful for the freshers who are coming and will now have a support of a backbone that you guys are there for the college fest. So thank you.
Thank you.
Now we have Tanvi, a representative from the Department of Bachelor's in Computer Science. Welcome, Tanvi.
Hello.
My first question to you is that how do you maintain a healthy balance between and a stressed life between your studies and other activities? It sometimes really get overwhelming for the students.
So before answering this question, the answer to this question is different for every person. Nobody has same goals and like timetable and regulations and everything. But as for me, I used to study only at night. Like for me, it is very easy to balance like co-curricular activities and academics since I used to study at night only. So my schedule does not get anything like disturbed or
I could completely relate to it as mera bhi almost same it happens like day mein you have your college fest ka preparation, at night you get the time to study, right? My next question to you is that many freshers come to the college in the beginning of the year with many expectations from college and college life. So what would you like to say on that point since you have already walked through that lane?
my experience as a fresher was something I've never experienced. Since it pulled me out of my comfort zone and I never thought of it. Like, I was like, okay, we'll study, we'll go home, we'll have some chill and all that. But co-curricular activities were something I never expected it that I would do it. Being a position holder, I have faced many ups and downs. Like, there was some internal affairs in the committee as well. So handling that also was a main task. And it was a great experience. I've experienced many things in college life that I would say you should also experience. So please don't afraid to go out of your comfort zone and experience great things.
Right, I think college never surprises you. I mean, the college never lags back to surprise you with many other experience coming. And we as a fresher, myself, when I entered this college, I had no idea how the things would work in the college fest. But after becoming a part of it, of this committee, now I get the idea of how things work. So that was really, relatable. Thank you, Tanvi, for being a part of this episode, and we are glad we had you here. I think the freshers also got an idea that how to compare the expectations versus reality ka part. Thank you.
Thank you for having me.
Well, on hearing such beautiful experiences and memories, I'm sure the freshers this year are very excited to come on the campus. So freshers, come quickly as your seniors await you to welcome you all with open arms. With this, I'm Ruta Kadakia, your host for this episode, signing off, and see you all in the next episode of the NKC Spotlight.